James Tanner Amphitheater, one of the most historically important buildings in Arlington National Cemetery and to the nation as a whole. What makes this structure so important is it is at the site of the first National Decoration Day, celebrated here on May 30th, 1868. By 1872, the Army knew they needed a permanent venue for the ceremonies being held at Arlington National Cemetery for Decoration Day. When we started surveying the condition of the structures at the cemetery, Tanner Amphitheater came up as the one needing the most work.
The amphitheater is primarily a masonry structure. It has brick columns and it has brick piers. It was last repaired in 1998 to 2000, and at that time all the masonry was stripped.
For the last 100 years, the amphitheater has been painted white.
Through historical photographs, we were able to see that the structure was not painted white, but that it was painted a palette of earth tone colors which were popular in the late Victorian time period. The amphitheater was painted white after World War I, and it's remained white ever since then.
So the National Archives and the photographs were instrumental in helping us target our investigations.